guess what? I told you was going to learn with me. Well, I've been playing with my welder. I got the wire put through, and this is my first welds. They look like crap compared to welds, but it's two pieces of metal taken and fused together. And then I did this one. Get this off of here. Go through here. See? I didn't do too awful bad for being the first time I've ever held a welder. So we're going to try a few more. So, y'all just keep watching and we'll see what happens. Alright, let me turn this back on. Turn the welder on.
You okay?
Yep. This is definitely, but you can keep looking now. I ain't put it down yet. Alright. This is definitely a learning experience, but like I say, I can figure out the little bit. So, here's what we're going to do. Point it right here, okay? Then when I put this down, then you take and look away, okay? All right, this is what I'm going to do. And see if it comes through on the thing.
It's good?
Hold on. I didn't have it on there to strike an arc. Where did the pliers go?
Oh no.
Well, I just had them.
You lost the pliers?
I just had a set, yeah. My zipper welding pliers. Oh well. We'll see what happens. Alright.
Stand back a little bit.
Do what?
I thought I'm going to stand back a little bit because
Oh,
that scared me.
no reason to be scared about it. Okay, you can turn around now.
Ooh. You're right, you're not too bad for a first time.
Well, Yeah. Never welded anything before. I mean, they look bad, but they'll get better. Yeah. I gotta figure out what I'm doing here, if I got it turned up too much or what. So, these look better. I'm also learning my welder, because since I'm new at this, I don't know my welder. I don't know what's good, what's bad. But I can tell you this much. This piece of metal is stuck to it pretty good. And that's with crappy welds. I wouldn't trust it, but they're there. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to weld another piece to it. Just to see how I do. This time I'm gonna practice my spot welding.
Should I look for this one or turn back?
Okay, what?
Should I turn back or look?
If my helmet ain't down, you can look all you want. Okay? Okay. Yes. All right. Now, my lovely assistant tip. Shine it right through here, okay? Can you see this through there? Okay. I'm gonna turn. Look at me.
Yeah.
Look at me. I'm gonna turn the power down because I think I'm blowing through the spot welds. Turn it down. See what happens.
Okay.
Alright. Aim it right here. Okay, you got it? You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, you can look on me, put it on me. I think you took and moved it some.
Did I?
Yeah, I think you were looking right here.
Hold on.
Don't worry.
I can still see it from.
You can now. But you couldn't before.
Yeah, because you told me to look away.
Yeah, but you still got to keep your hand in the right spot, in the same spot.
It's kind of hard when I can't see it.
No, it's not.
You sure?
Yeah, watch. You see?
We're gonna have to cut this out of the video.
Yeah, maybe. See? Right here?
You moved it a little, but it's like on the thing.
Mm-hmm.
People's attention's just on it, so they can still probably see.
Alright, shine it over here.
Shining at you.
Alright. Now this is just spot welded and it's not real good. Let me scrape this. I know with flux core you've got to take and scrape it because it puts out a lot of smoke. But as you can see, it is fused. Some of them are getting better. Some of them I just flat blew through them. Got it too hot. Look. So, wire brush and a grinder will take care of a lot of that, but it's just going to take some more practice. But I told you you'd be here to learn as I did. I will probably get somebody over here that can weld, a friend of mine, to help me. I just, people, they've got their own lives, so I can't just expect them to drop and come over to teach me how to weld. But I'm real happy with this. It's not good, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. So, anyways, thank you. Y'all be good. God bless you. Love one another. Whatever you want to say. And I'll see you later. Okay, everybody. I'm back. Here are some close-ups of my welds. I've just been playing with different settings to see how they do. I found I was blowing through the metal up top. But I will say that they seem strong. There's this one here. This was the first one I showed you. Let me get a little distance there. There we go. I don't know how the resolution's going to be once I download this. It's not real great on the little screen on the camera. Anyways, I'm going to add that to the video. I just wanted to show these what I did. So, God bless you. Love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.